Chinese engineers have introduced an automated device for deploying road cones. This device is a specialized vehicle designed to automatically place and collect road cones without the need for manual labor. The primary goal of this mechanism is to improve the safety of road workers and enhance the efficiency of traffic management during repair or construction work. The device is equipped with a mechanical system capable of precisely positioning and retrieving road cones along the roadway. This significantly reduces the risk of injuries for workers by eliminating the need to be directly on the road during cone deployment or removal. The operator can control the process of placing and collecting cones from the vehicle's cabin using intuitive interfaces and control systems. Depending on the model, the device can hold a large number of cones, allowing for the rapid and efficient marking of extended road sections without frequent reloading. This is the work of Dutch engineers from the company Vogelzang, which in collaboration with DTEC has developed an advanced trailer with a mobile crane for transporting and placing construction materials. The main feature of the trailer is its high torsional rigidity, essential for compensating loads during crane operation. A unique mechanical steering system with rear axle steering simplifies maneuvering on narrow construction sites. Additionally, the updated design includes an aluminum rear guard with an integrated step, making it easier for the operator to access the platform. Recently, Vogelzang trailers received certification, allowing them to safely transport loads of up to 35 tons without the need for additional securing. These trailers are widely used for transporting bricks, concrete slabs, steel road plates, and scaffolding, enabling autonomous operation without the need for external cranes. Traditional manual cone placement requires significant physical effort and poses a risk to workers due to their proximity to moving traffic. To address this issue, the Australian company Arrows has introduced its innovative development called the Automated Cone Truck. This automated cone-laying vehicle is a specialized road transport solution designed to deploy and collect road cones without direct worker involvement. The primary goal of this vehicle is to enhance roadwork safety by eliminating the need for manual cone placement, thereby reducing the risk of injuries and improving operational efficiency. The vehicle is equipped with a mechanism capable of placing and retrieving cones at precise intervals, controlled by an operator from the cabin. The truck can carry up to 400 cones, allowing it to mark over 9 kilometers of road without the need for replenishment. Here is a unique mechanism for laying railway tracks, capable of automating and significantly accelerating the process of constructing and upgrading railway lines. Such machines perform a complex set of operations, including the removal of old sleepers and rails, preparation of the ballast layer, installation of new sleepers and rails, and securing the rails to the sleepers. The machine is equipped with systems for removing old rails and sleepers. Special devices release the fastenings, after which the old sleepers are extracted and transported to designated platforms for further disposal or recycling. After the removal of the old sleepers, the machine cleans and levels the ballast layer, ensuring a stable foundation for laying the new track components. Using cranes and conveyor systems, new sleepers are delivered and placed onto the prepared foundation with precise spacing. Then new rails are positioned on the sleepers and secured using automated fastening systems. Automation of these processes significantly reduces the time required for railway construction or upgrades, minimizing downtime and inconvenience for passengers and freight transport. Imagine a machine capable of independently detecting and sealing cracks in roads with accuracy and efficiency, surpassing human capabilities. Robotic Crack Sealer is an innovative robotic system designed for the automated repair of road surfaces. Using advanced machine vision technology and artificial intelligence, this robot can identify cracks in real time, analyze their size and shape, and then apply sealant with high precision. One of the key advantages of the Robotic Crack Sealer is its ability to operate without human intervention. Built-in cameras and laser sensors scan the road surface, creating a three-dimensional model of the damage. The system then controls a specialized nozzle that applies sealant only to the necessary areas, minimizing material waste and ensuring uniform crack filling. Engineers from Tesmec have developed a highly efficient chain trenching machine called 1475XLEVO. This powerful unit, equipped with an engine producing 630 horsepower, is designed for excavating trenches for large pipelines, capable of reaching depths of up to 5 meters even in the most challenging conditions. One of the key features of the machine is the Trenchtronic 5.0 system, which optimizes the excavation process and enhances overall operational efficiency. The design combines high chain traction with low movement speed, thanks to advanced flywheel reducers and new hydraulic components. The EVO technology ensures excellent performance when working with hard and abrasive rock, increasing productivity and reducing wear on cutting elements, which in turn lowers maintenance costs. The American company Hog Technologies has developed an innovative system called RumbleHog. RumbleHog is a multifunctional road machine that combines three main functions: milling road markings, cutting grooves for embedded markings, and creating rumble strips. This versatility makes RumbleHog an indispensable tool for road maintenance crews and contractors responsible for road surface upkeep and repairs. The rumble strips created by RumbleHog effectively alert drivers when they leave their lane, reducing the number of accidents. Due to its multifunctionality, RumbleHog replaces several specialized machines, reducing equipment and maintenance costs. Advanced control systems and durable cutting elements ensure high-quality performance and a long service life. The introduction of multifunctional machines like RumbleHog enhances the efficiency of roadwork and improves road safety, which remains a top priority for modern road maintenance services. Here is a development by the German company Vogele called Super 3003i, a flagship asphalt paver that combines power and versatility for large-scale projects. With a maximum paving width of 18 meters and a capacity of up to 1,800 tons of mix per hour, this machine is ideal for constructing highways, runways, and large surfaces. Equipped with a 6-cylinder Cummins diesel engine producing 354 kilowatts, the Super 3003i ensures stable operation even under maximum loads. The innovative material feeding and distribution system includes ultrasonic automatic control, ensuring uniform mix distribution at various layer thicknesses. The height of the rear chassis, including conveyors and augers, can be infinitely adjusted, guaranteeing an optimal material flow to the auger, even when laying thick base layers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.